All right. So tonight we're going to play with a new tool that I came across. There's all sorts of amazing applications that are being created with AI. And so I pulled up PtolemyAI.com, and they've got a tool that lets you basically create research on anything that you are interested in. And I'm really into the DevOps space. I've spent the last decade in time understanding the keys to DevOps. And so I thought, maybe it'd be a good idea to launch the bot doing some research on DevOps. So we're going to have it conduct some research. We're going to prompt it to help us to set up a new DevOps Center of Excellence in our enterprise environment. All right, here we go. So you've given it a pretty long prompt. We've got some credits to work with here. It looks like it's beginning to process the first set of research, and we just took the default number of preferences. All right, here we go. Task number 1, perform a Google search for setting up a DevOps Center of Excellence. So let's see what that comes back with. And as we're doing this in real time, there may be an opportunity to jump ahead. But it looks like it's already found the first resource, the first reference. Looks like we've got How to Build a DevOps Center of Excellence, published to Information Week in December of 2020. Oh, excellent. Enterprise rsproject.com, How to Build a DevOps Center of Excellence in 4 steps. All right, building a cloud center of excellence for successful DevOps practices. IBM.com. Yeah, and it looks like one of the valuable things of a service like this is that we can identify valid references. One of the big challenges that we've seen with tools like ChatGPT is that those tools are highly unreliable as it pertains to quotes references, and other statements. There was a story earlier in the week, and I actually been thinking about posting it to aimistakes.com, that talks about misattribution and things that you would not find through a Google search because ChatGPT literally made up the quote. So finding ways that we can create reliable sources and use these prompting engines could be really supremely valuable. Okay, here we go. Output. To set up a new DevOps Center of Excellence inside your Fortune 500 enterprise company, follow these critical steps. Number one, assemble the right team. A successful DevOps COE requires a cross-disciplinary team consisting of roles such as a manager, coaches, champions, and a governance board. Ensure the team members have the right technical and business skills to support the COE's objectives. Okay, that sounds pretty believable to me. There are a number of roles that you have to fill. Definitely think you're going to need managers and coaches. You're definitely going to have people that are there to help, to guide, and you need a governance board because you're going to need that support to make the right decisions as a group. Number two, engage senior leaders. No DevOps transformation is possible without sponsorship and buy-in from senior leadership. So that one's absolutely right. Number three, define a vision and a success metric. Really, without a clear vision and without a way to measure it and ensure that you're on track, you're not going to be successful. Thumbs up to that one as well. Create a knowledge base. There's a lot of discussion about the need for shared knowledge. Wholeheartedly agree with this. There's so many elements that need to be captured. There is so much to learn, and you need to share that. And I think 5 goes right along with that. Provide training and coaching, essential to success. Totally agree with that one. Let's keep going. 6, involve business departments. You got to get everybody on board. You're not going to be successful unless you have it from the top, from the bottom, and you got to work your way through the middle. Establish reference architectures. Create reference architectures as a base for technical deployments and use automation to codify and digitize these architectures for deployment. I really like this one. As an architect, the more you can tell and provide the right answer and make the right answer the easy way, the more successful you're going to be. Transition from a project to a product-based operating model. Fantastic job. The sources that they found seem to have been a really great reference. The tool has taken those references, it's brought them in and created a coherent output. So I'm really loving this answer so far. Really terrific, high-quality results coming here. Okay, looks like it's created a new task now. It's going to create a final output using GPT-4, synthesizing the information from the research it conducted. And again, while we're waiting for this to complete the report, I just want to share with you that I've spent over a decade in this space. This is a pretty good answer. Yeah, and looking over the final answer here, it looks like what it's done is it's added the necessary references so we can identify the source of the statement. So The first step looks like it's using references 2 and 4. 2 uses reference 1. 3 uses reference 1. Point 4 uses references from 1, 4, and 5. Then point number 5, provide training and coaching, is coming from the first source and the sixth source. I like what they've added here, the target dojos to overcome resistance and change without losing productivity. So the answers have been improved again, even beyond what was originally produced. This is a really cohesive answer. It's a well-formed answer, and this is something that I can take and put in my reference library to carry forward because it's a well-built response. I'm liking this. All right, so we've had a great chance to experience the tool. I understand this tool is in preview for a little while, so if you're interested, go and check it out. I thought it was pretty cool. Have a great one. Thanks for watching AI Mistakes. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me what you liked. Tell me what you didn't. If you haven't had a chance to stop by the website, swing on by, sign up for the newsletter. We've got a lot of great things to talk about, and I'd love to share it with you. Let's learn together. Let's go make some mistakes.